name is 𝗬𝗏. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Germany. And I recently completed my 200 hours yoga teacher training course at Vinyasa Yogashala. And I wanted to give you guys a little insight on how my experience was, how I spent my time here and what experience I've made along the way. My time here at Vinyasa Yogashala has been one of the most transformative and insightful times I've had in my life. It has been both very joyful, but also very challenging on the physical, mental aspects. They really show you the depth of yoga philosophy, not only the physical side. The teachers are all very knowledgeable, very kind people. They teach you very well, and they will make sure that you keep the knowledge with you. As for accommodations, I can say it's all been taken care of very well. The food is amazing, the rooms are good, you can share a room with people, you can book a room by yourself. They have different buildings who are all taken care of very, very well. And the staff is always caring for the students and trying to give it their best. So when you see this review, you might find yourself in the position of choosing a yoga school, a Yogashala in Rishikesh. So if you want to choose Vinyasa Yogashala, I can only truly say to you, you are on the way to making a good decision. I've always felt comfortable here. And I will maybe in the future come back because it has been one of the best experience I've ever done in life. Thank you.